Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I painted this shimmery watercolor blended lettering piece. It is Sunshine, and I used two different types of oranges and a green. Now don't ask me why I chose green, I just did. The watercolors I am using today are from Whitts Watercolor. It is, the darker one is Tiger. The green is Granny, like a Granny Smith apple. And the lighter orange is Jack-o'-lantern. Now I'm going to be speeding up the video a little bit just because it can get a little bit tedious and boring just seeing me do things in real time. But if you would like to see something done in real time, leave a comment down below and I will get that to you. Now let's get started. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of voiceover for this. These are just a close-up of the colors that I had shown earlier. That's Jack-o'-lantern, which is a nice light orange. And then there's Granny, which is a nice Granny Smith green. And last is going to be Tiger, and that is a nice red orange. And these colors are all from Whitts Watercolor, and I'll put all that information down in the description box below. And to write out the word sunshine, I'm going to be using the Bria Reese dual tip marker, which is very similar to a Tombow. Now before I get started with the piece, I like to add a couple drops of water onto the paints to get them activated, to get them wet, to soften them up and get them ready. And then I'm going to go ahead and start writing out the word sunshine with that yellow marker. I'm going to speed this up a little bit because I don't write that fast. And I like to use the yellow because it's a very common color within the two colors that I'm using, and so it doesn't affect the overall color of the piece in the end. Sometimes I use gray, but this time I used yellow. And for the actual painting of the letters, I'm going to be using that number 2 liner brush. And now I'm speeding this up 4 times fast so you can see my process. And a lot of watercolor blending is pretty much all about water control. Too much water can make it puddly. Too little water would make it difficult to blend. It's really just a lot of practice and trial and error to see what works for you. So now I'm just going to let this run. I'm going to put some music behind it, and you can watch the entire process as it goes. And I'll catch you later. And there you have it, folks. This is a nice little up-close look at the finished piece. It's not 100% dry yet, but I had no patience to wait for it to dry. As you can see, they have some really wonderful blends and bleeds in it, and I had a lot of fun doing it. Thank you to Whitts Watercolor for having such very good quality shimmery watercolor paint. And like I said earlier, all the information find Whitts Watercolor is in the description box below. If you have any questions or anything else you want to see, go ahead and shoot me a comment down below and I'll try to get to that too. Have a great day, guys. Bye.